That's what it was, wasn't it? Pick up a penguin. Hi, I'm Trish from A Touch of Magic, and I am making this amazing penguin cake. I have used my trusty penguin, a few secret ingredients, not many may I add. It is so easy. It's included in my book, Baking with a Touch of Magic, 100 easy recipes, and this is one of them. So we have got 320 grams of penguins. Penguin biscuits, obviously the wrappers are off. If they go into our food processor, bit noisy. Turn it on. It would take about a minute. Now while we're waiting, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's see if they're all crunched up. They are all beautifully crunched up, so we have got crunched up penguins. What to add next? We're adding 250 ml of warm milk. Not too cold, not too hot, a bit like Goldilocks, just right. And in that goes. Kaboom! We have got what looks like delicious chocolate soup. Do not be put off by this liquid batter. And whatever you do, do not lick the blade. So we are going to take this off. Whoa. Yum. And pour. Move this back. Pour directly into the tin. Now, as I said, do not panic when you see this batter as absolutely runny as. It is meant to be this runny. Get every last bit out because those penguins deserve to be turned into a delicious treat. Magic. Now, 180 degrees into your oven for 20 minutes. This tin is about 7 inches in diameter, which is important. Any bigger and you'll have a very, very flat sponge. So you're talking 20 minutes, 180 degrees. In it goes. Boom, done. And here we have our delicious penguin cake straight out of the oven, and just leave it to cool completely before you attempt to ice it. Now this is the fun bit because this is the icing bit. So I have got a jar of my favourite chocolate spread, and I've also got some yummy malt sweets to put on top for decoration, but you can use anything. You could use ganache, you could do a buttercream. So I've got just a trusty spoon and I have a palette knife. Now a good generous dollop of your chocolate spread. And again, working from the corners. And just slather this delicious chocolate spread. You can put as much as you want, but don't forget, this is a delicious chocolate sponge and it's going to be decorated with more little chocolate pieces. So you actually don't need an awful lot of the chocolate spread, but just enough to keep it sweet. And this is where we just go crazy with our toppings. You could do crunchy bars, you could do Maltesers, chopped sweets, whatever tickles your fancy. It's absolutely delicious. But what's fab, it's just quick, it's easy, and it's a fantastic novelty. The fact that you've turned a packet of penguin biscuits into something delicious and sweet and perfect for an afternoon snack. Delicious. This is the best bit. Look how soft and squidgy. Oh, yum. Look at that delicious sponge. It's squidgy, it's soft, it's delicious, it smells amazing.